Yeah.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy JT, and I'm back and get another video. One thing, my glasses are gone. My glasses are broke. You see this? You see this? This just happened in my pocket. In this pocket right here, it just happened. And this screw is lost. It's on the floor and have carpet. And this thing looks silver. I'm not wearing them again anytime soon. But we got Shaggy and Scooby Rubbin Off The Paint. I saw this yesterday. It had 5 million. Not even yesterday. Earlier today. 3 o'clock in the morning. So, this is. It must be good. If it got that much, after 35 now, when this grew a lot. This grew really fast. But let's get into it.
That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
Yeah, Scooby Gang. yeah, Scooby Gang. yeah, Scooby Gang. Let's get it in. They say, Shaggy, where you been? And I'm just chasing the breeze.
Oh my God, this sounds just like him, bro. On me, this sounds just like him, bro. Yo, you know what this sounds like? This sounds like that dude who made that Clean Living Brown Boy. I'll show a little clip of it. Here we go.
Fuck it, you ain't wanna mess with Brown. No. I drag your pussy through the town. I'll make your mama bow down. And I'll be laughing at you like a clown. I'll crush you up like your feta bitch, like Peter did with Loretta bitch. Goddamn, and I was fucking clever bitch. I'm thinking maybe I should be a rapper bitch. I'm never ever gonna stop.
That's what it sounds like to me. Like the same person, but it's not.
I've been running.
He gonna get big off this, I'm telling you.
From some monsters cause they keep chasing me. I've been coolin', snorting coke, and yes, I think I might sneeze. But just know I'm eating Scooby snacks, and no, I won't leave. I've been running, got some ghosts on my ass. I got Velma on my neck, and I got Scoob on my ass. Scrappy said I'm going broke, well, I just take that foreign with 50 on my ass. But I'm that Shaggy, I won't ever change. Rubbing off the paint, smoking dank. Got a Scooby on my lap, I let it bang. Things on day, no, he keep a cape. Let it chocolate rain. I have to chop and let it blow and watch his bitch eat his face. I'm that Shaggy, and all my young Scoobies pulling triggers, we gorillas. We let this bitch off and kill you fellas. For the monsters that's always on IGL and Jinkies with their pinkies. Are you gonna use it or you just loafing for them bitches? You monsters really hoes and you be acting like these bitches. You monsters say y'all silent but you're probably in there snitching. 40 Papa hit a mobster, turn your brain to pasta. Hit a upper, bread swinging and I want some pasta. Smoking ganja and I'm zooted walking, give me pasta. Any nigga test my gangster nigga, give me pasta. If you haven't figured it out, nigga.
I know he was black. Cause no white. I don't know. I'm not trying to be racist. I don't know if it's racist, but only black people do stuff like this. Only black people, like black ignorant people, like that would make rubbing off the paint. If Scooby Doo made it, like this stuff we do, and it's annoying. Oh my God! But this is good though. I like it. I like it a lot.
Give me pasta, nigga. I'm a lobster. Please fucking give me pasta. 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 Yeah, Scooby Gang. Yeah, what? It's the Scooby Gang. yeah, Scooby Gang. What? Scooby, the Scooby Gang.
Well, I liked it. I don't know about other people, but I liked it, and that's basically all. Like, yo, whoever made this, they gonna get big. I low-key want to see if they got more stuff, but I doubt they got more stuff. I doubt it, but yeah, that's about it. That's all I was gonna do. I just wanted to watch this and record it with. That's basically it. Anything else? No, really. I'm JT. I'll see you later.
Now listening to a Bobby Johnson beat.
Hey, I like lean, I like drugs, I like beans, I got plugs, what you need? Funds, what you bleed, oh you tough.